Imagine you are 60 years old. Your knees are aching, and you are still going to work today simply because there isn't enough money in your bank account. Isn't that terrifying? Now look at the other side. A 25-year-old guy is driving around in the car of his choice and has no worries about tomorrow. Do you know what the difference between these two is? It is the right timing. If you are between 20 and 25 today, you possess a wealth that Warren Buffett would give away his entire fortune to buy from you. And that is your time. The next 10 minutes could change the entire direction of your life, because today I am going to tell you those 5 suicidal mistakes that 90% of youth make in their 20s, and then cry about poverty for the rest of their lives. In the middle of the video, I will tell you a secret trick through which you can make money even without hard work, so don't miss a single word. The first biggest mistake: spending for show. In our 20s, when we get our first salary or money from home, our first instinct is to buy an expensive mobile, wear branded clothes, or take friends to expensive parties. We spend that money to impress people we don't even actually like. Warren Buffett says, if you buy things you do not need, soon you will have to sell things you need. Remember, in your 20s, your goal should not be to look rich, but to become rich. While your friends are buying phones on installments, you should focus on building assets. Do you know that the cost of buying a 1 lakh rupee phone today is equivalent to 50 lakh rupees in the future? How? I will explain this secret in the math section of the video. Wait, do you know there is a place where keeping money actually makes it decrease on its own? And 90% of youth trap their money right there. I will talk about this in the third mistake, which will open your eyes. The second mistake: assuming education ends with school. Most young people think that once they have a degree, their studies are over. But the education of real life begins right there. The most successful people in the world spend 10% of their income on improving themselves. Reading books, learning new skills, and investing in yourself is the biggest investment. If you know only one job, you can earn money in only one way. But if you develop financial literacy, the understanding of money, in your 20s, then money will run after you. Even today, Warren Buffett spends 5 to 6 hours of his day reading. If the richest person in the world is reading, what makes you think you can reach there without learning? The third and most fatal mistake: letting your money rot in a simple savings account. Here comes the invisible enemy we call inflation. If you keep your money in a bank savings account where you get 3 or 4% interest and inflation in the country is rising at a rate of 6%, then in reality, your money isn't growing. It is decreasing by 2% every year. The power to take risks is highest in your 20s. In this age, saving money is not enough. It is essential to put the money to work in the right place. If you don't start investing today, you are losing the golden years of your life where the magic of compound interest works the most. What I am about to tell you now is the most important part of this entire video. If you understand this, no one can stop you from becoming a millionaire. This is the method by which money creates money. Let's learn about the fourth mistake. The fourth mistake: starting late. Many young people think, I'm only 20 right now, I'll start investing in my 30s. This is a blunder that has to be paid for in crores. Suppose there are 2 friends, Ajay and Vijay. Ajay starts investing 5,000 rupees every month at the age of 25, and Vijay starts the same thing at the age of 35. When both turn 60, Ajay will have almost 3 times more money than Vijay, even if Vijay invested more money later. This is called the benefit of time. The biggest weapon you have in your 20s is time. If you start with even just 1,000 rupees today, that seed will become a massive banyan tree in the future. To delay is to murder your wealth. The fifth and final mistake: spending time with the wrong people. You are the average of the 5 people you spend most of your time with. If your friends just talk nonsense every evening, party, and have no plans for the future, you will very soon become just like them. Change your company. Sit with people who are smarter than you, who talk about money, who talk about business. The duo of Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger is the biggest example of this. Also, do not ignore your health, because if the body doesn't support you, what will you do with crores of rupees? Friends, the 20s are a slope from where you can either reach the sky or hit the floor. Quit these 5 mistakes today: showing off, not learning, wrong investments, delay, and bad company. Remember, today's discipline is tomorrow's freedom. Now, a small task for you. Tell me in the comments which of these 5 mistakes you were making and take a pledge to fix it today. If you liked these thoughts of Warren Buffett and want me to help you in your financial journey, then subscribe to this channel right now and hit the bell icon. One decision of yours can change the fate of your next 7 generations. Come, let's become rich together.